In today's video, I'll show you how you can cut and trim videos in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector, and from here, what you need to do is to first drag your clip here into the timeline, make sure it's in the timeline, select it, and basically from here, you can already cut and trim by just shortening the length of your clip right here. So you could just drag both ends right here, or either ends right here, depending on where you'd want to cut it. Let's say here at the end, I'd want to make this shorter, so I can just drag it just like that. And as you can see, it's now trimmed or cut. Can do the same thing at the starting end right here. And next is that you could click here again, and you could also click here on the split the selected clip. So and this is the cut option. So for example, you would want to play you want to place your playhead where you'd want to cut the video, for example somewhere in here. And now select your clip and click here on the split tool. And when you click on that, you'd now be able to see that it is now two separate clips because we have now cut it. Now, another way is that you can click on the selected clip again and click here on the trim tool or the scissor icon right here. And then once you do that, you'd now have this pop-up right here. So you could go for multi-trim or single trim right here. And then you could specify the start point and the end point of the trim that you'd want to happen. And then you could also go for multi-trim, and then this one, you'd have multiple options for this one. So you could go for lengthening this or shortening the selected duration of your choice. And then you'd be able to see the total time duration right here of your output. Once you're done, click here on trim. And then you'd now be able to see your clip trimmed right there. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.